Hey there, let's now see how to read and append text to an existing text file. So we have this text file, we have Mike, Joe and Jack, 3 lines there, and we want that first we want to know what we have in the text file, and then we want to append some more data. Maybe you have a program that you first want to check if something is there, and then depending on that, so you have some conditionals there, and depending on that, you then want to apply a write operation, a write method to append text to that text file. So how do we do that? Well, it's quite easy. Again, you use the open function to create a file object. employees2.txt, that's the path to the file, and then we don't use the a method, which stands for append, because that doesn't allow us to read, but instead we use the a+ mode. So that allows us to both read and write. Now, if you do my file.read, maybe you're expecting to read the 3 lines, but not. You don't read it. That's because the cursor with this mode is placed at the end of the text file. Normally with the R mode here, the cursor is placed on top of the file because Python expects you to read the text that starts from the first character and down there. But with an a+ mode, Python expects that you are appending text to your existing text file. Therefore, it places the cursor by default after the last character, so that when you append some text, the text is appended after this. Therefore, if you want to read, you first need to do myfile.seek and 0 if you want to place the cursor before the first character. Then you do myfile.read, and you get the text as a Python string. You see you have these break lines, and even after Jack I have one. Maybe you don't have it, I may have pressed enter by mistake here in the text file. It doesn't matter. And so once you read it, now the cursor is placed after the break line, so somewhere here, down here. If you write something now, like John, and then you want to close the file in order to see the changes in the editor. Let me exit this. No, for saving the changes. Open, and John is there. So that's how you read and write to a text file. I hope this makes sense, and I'll talk to you later.